Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I want to share a finished journal with you. I've made this completely off camera, so I didn't do any tutorials or share any of the process, but this is what it looks like. It is approximately 4.5 by 5 3/4. It is a hardcover. It has a 2 1/4 inch spine, 5 signatures, pamphlet stitch, exposed stitching, and it has a seam binding closure with eyelets. It has a pocket on the front. In the front pocket, have this memories card and this tag with a little flower and a bulb pin. In the pocket, again, this is the spine, and it does have a fabric cover. Okay, so let's dive in, see what's on the inside. So I actually started this a while ago and wanted to try and see if I could, how fast I could finish a journal. Obviously, I did not finish it quickly. I did get the bulk of it done in one weekend, but I did have to come back and add some things to it. I feel like I'm a slow crafter, so I was testing myself to see how fast I could do it. So in the front, on the front cover, we have a pink vellum pocket with a tag. And I'm sorry for the noise in the background. My daughter is doing laundry. This is a fully functioning household, so I have to do what I have to do. But this is a collage tag here, and those fit in the front pocket. This is the beginning of the signature with some sage colored lace on the edge. There is mixed media paper mixed in with misprints, and there's also some misprints, and there is aged paper using coffee or tea staining, or a combination of both. There's spraying, so this doily is sprayed. This is sprayed mixed media paper. Then this is a paper bag that I've stitched in with a little heart detail, and a piece of ephemera in the pocket, some aged paper with punching, iridescent type vellum, and I've also used some rub-ons for a little detailing on some of the pages. This is a tuck spot, so this is just to demonstrate the tuck spot. So you have a tuck spot here, and a pocket with some punch detailing and some ephemera and tags in the pocket. Then each signature has an envelope. Well, each signature that has pages has an envelope that is unsealed, so it's up to the owner to seal it if they choose to. A little faux postage stamp on the other side there. This is a flip out with a belly band and a tag and journaling card. Then this pocket has crochet lace trim with some aged paper and a ticket style piece of ephemera. More of the iridescent vellum, page punched. And then I'm not going to describe everything. I'll just continue to flip through. A little stamping. Little detail on the mixed media page. Then we have an envelope here, and this is a coffee or tea stained envelope on mixed media paper, and that just hooks onto the page like that. Then on this side we have a piece of ephemera from one of my digital kits and a tag. They were just clipped on here. We have another tuck spot here. A small belly band with a piece of ephemera and a ticket. Fits down in there. Then in between the signatures with pages, there are folder signatures. So this is the first folder signature. And I did not glue the pockets closed. It's up to the recipient. If they want to glue those closed, they can. We have a tag here and then a piece of ephemera in this pocket. Then we get to the next signature of pages. And got a pocket here, a little tuck spot with a tag, a piece of ephemera. Then there is a tuck spot here. Book page ruffle, little stamping detail, washi tape detail, doily, journaling card or tag on the mixed media paper, rub on. And then here is the second envelope. This one has a journaling card in it. Let's do it like this. There we go. A little stamping there. This is a misprint insert with a corner tuck journaling card. Mixed media paper. This has an envelope. Another one of the envelopes that is aged. And it can go either way. I just have it clipped on with a small paper clip. And then this is what the other mixed media paper looks like. Here is a doily with a journaling card in it. And it just sits in there like that. Somewhat of a collage page with writing space. Then we have fold out on the back of that. Aged paper, it's pink. Another baggie, you can put things in there, little notes. Aged paper, a little pocket with tag. Mixed media paper, another tuck spot with a little tag. Washi tape detail. And this is the last page of that signature with the sage lace and another tuck spot here. So I did not fill up all of the tuck spots and all of the places. So I wanted to leave room for the owner to have space to add their own touches. And here is another vellum pocket. It's pink vellum, guest check mini, a mini guest check, some ephemera, and a large tag with some mixed media inking. Then here is the second folder signature. And again, I left the pockets open. This is a journaling card. Have another of the envelopes. And this is the back of the folder. Then we get to the last signature. So we have a small envelope with a little rub-on detailing, and that just clips on the page like this. The iridescent vellum, mixed media paper with birds, stenciling, aged paper, the bag, green paper with a tuck spot pocket, stamping, book page, and 2 tags. Aged pink paper, another tuck spot with a tag. Here's the doily. There's a pocket space here. Mixed media paper in the background. This is washi tape detail on a misprint insert. More washi tape detail. And then here is the last envelope. Then got a little stamping detail. A butterfly label. Aged paper. There's another pocket here. doily book page ruffle on the pink aged paper. We have a little tuck spot here with a Project Life journaling card tucked in. Here is a full-size journaling card, index card on the back. It's aged with coffee or tea staining. That clips right in there. Then there's another butterfly label pocket with ticket style ephemera in the pocket. And then another baggie and tea stained or aged paper tuck spot with a tag, a little journaling card tag with rub-on detail, and a piece of ephemera. Then we have another memories card in on page pocket with some rub-on detail and mixed media detail in the back. Iridescent vellum. Then this is another tuck spot here with a little collage or cluster. And that is the last signature. We go to the back pocket, which is also pink vellum with a tag, a guest check, a mini guest check, and a large tag in the pocket. Again, the closure is seam binding. This is the back. You have lots of room to grow. It's not stiff and packed full to the rim. So as I mentioned, you can add your own touches, and that is it for this journal. I did not name it. I guess I could call it the Memories Journal, since let's call it Moments and Memories, since that's the name on the journaling card in the front pocket. So this will be available in the shop by the time you see this video. I only have the one. All of these are original. So if you're interested, all the information will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.